Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a collaborator to your Pinterest board. This is perfect if you are working on a project or maybe planning an event or just maybe simply want to manage ideas together with your friends. This tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, just open the Pinterest app and then make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're in, just tap on profile page or profile tab like this, and then in here you will see all your boards. Just tap on boards and then just choose the board that you want to add the collaborator. Just tap on it, and then next just tap on this icon, add icon, this one. Just tap on it, and then in here you will see several choices, like just add your friend or invite your friend directly on here. You can just simply search for their Pinterest username or just share an invite link to your social media. You can send the link over the WhatsApp or Instagram, Facebook, or many more in here. And anyone who accepts the invite will automatically join your board as a collaborator. And then in here, Pinterest also lets you control what collaborators can do on your board. Just tap on edit collaborator permissions like this. And then in here you can set the permissions, like for do almost everything or maybe just save and comment. And then you can also give the permissions to your collaborator for the invitations like this. And then you can also set the board request, so people can request to join this board, your board. Just adjust the permissions based on what you need, and once you're done, just tap on done, and your collaborator is now added successfully like this. And okay, that's it. That's how you can easily add collaborators on Pinterest and manage permissions in just a few taps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.